Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you are seeing me for the first time, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can promix your Jergens solution to make you like one or two shades lighter. Jergens is one of the top skincare brands in the world. It's a US brand. It's from the United States and it is a very old brand. It is as old as the word old itself, and trust me, the integrity is also intact. If you are trying to if your skincare goal is strictly to moisturize and nothing more, please feel free to go for Jergens. Just pick one of the Jergens varieties. They are very moisturizing, very good. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be recommending that you go for the daily moisture variant, guys. So I'm going to, before I go into how you can promix, I'm going to tell you how you can differentiate between the original daily moisture and the fake daily moisture, because it is effective, right? It's highly moisturizing. So there's fake. I only have 2 or 3 ways of identifying, of differentiating between the original and the fake, and I'm going to tell you right now. The original packaging looks like cream color. This is what it looks like here. It's like cream. When you look at it, it just looks like you see a silky cream finish. But for the fake one, you see a turquoise blue packaging. The label, the bottle is like turquoise blue, while the original one is like cream color. For the original one, the Jergens logo is right on top of the bottle before you see the Jergens name on it. That's for the original. But for the fake one, the Jergens logo is nowhere to be found. And another thing is, for the original one, the content is 621 ml, but the fake one says it has extra 25%, so that gives about 740 something ml. Guys, don't buy it. That's the fake one. So now let's go into the original. But before I tell you how to promix, guys, if you are trying to, this wig is a very old wig of mine that I just gave to my sister to revamp for me, and I think she did a very good job. What do you guys think? I'm going to leave a picture of what the wig looked like before, when I first got it. I'm going to leave a picture of it, and then this is what it looks like right now. I feel like she did a very good job. She's a professional hair launderer and revamp artist. She's very good and very professional. She lives in Ibadan. If you're in Ibadan, or even if you're not in Ibadan and you would like to revamp your wigs, I'll leave her Instagram page on the screen. Feel free to reach out to her. I sent 3 of my wigs to her, and within 3-4 days she did everything and sent it back to me. She's quite affordable and she does a very good job. Please make sure you reach out to her. Now to the business of today, to promix your cream. To promix your cream now, you know that it is 621 ml. I would not advise you to promix the entire bottle. So get a clean bowl and a separate bottle you are going to dispense the cream into, right? So that clean bowl, please make sure it is clean and free of germs and any form of contamination. Dispense 250 ml of that Jergens into that clean bowl. So maybe you want to use this measuring cups, or you just want to maybe if you have scale measurements, if you have skincare scale, just find a way to dispense 250 ml of the content of the cream into a clean bowl. Then you add 10 drops of whitening glycerin. Okay, there are 2 different kinds of glycerin. There's whitening glycerin and there's vegetable glycerin. I would recommend that, since the cream is already very moisturizing, just use whitening glycerin, 10 drops of whitening glycerin. You will also need 5 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil is a very good essential oil, and it does a lot of wonders to the skin. So you're going to be needing 5 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of whitening glycerin. You're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of Sepi white powder. Sepi white powder is one of the very effective natural whitening powders. If you go to where they sell organic skincare products, like raw organic skincare products, you will definitely get it there. So you need just 1 tablespoon of Sepi white powder. You also need 1 tablespoon of snow white powder, guys. So you need 1 tablespoon of snow white powder, and you need 2 tablespoons of any whitening serum of your choice. I recommend Amos White, or if you have any Snow White serum, use 2 tablespoons. That's 30 ml of that Snow White serum. Mix it together in that bowl. Make sure it is well incorporated. If you have a whisk that you can use it to mix it, if you have an hand mixer, mix it together. Just make sure that it is very well incorporated, and then transfer it into your container. That's the 250 ml container you're going to be using. And voila, you have your moisturizing lightening ingredients. So this formula is not going to whiten you. It is not going to give you half-cast complexion. It is not going to make you, if you're a dark skin person, it's not going to really make you as light skinned as I am. I'm not very light skinned, but yeah, it is not still going to make you as light skinned as I am. It's just that it's not going to make you dark, and it's going to give you like maybe 1 or 2 shades bright complexion. If you are looking to bleach your skin, this formulation is not for you. It is not going to help you bleach your skin. If you're looking to do extreme whitening, this formulation is not going to whiten your skin extremely. But you like Jergens lotion and you don't want it to darken you at all. As a matter of fact, you want it to lighten you a bit. You want it to give, you just want it to tone your skin evenly. This formulation is going to give you that. And you also need to have a very good scrub. It doesn't have to be whitening scrub. It doesn't have to be whitening scrub. It can be your normal scrub. Your normal scrub. Just make sure you exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Exfoliate your skin. You can, if you also want to use the normal Jergens body wash. I know they have bar soap as well. Feel free to use that, but you know that you are not looking to whiten, and you're not looking to, it just tones. You are not going to get dark. Forget that I use Jergens and no, you're not going to get dark. Okay, it's going to like pop your melanin. If you're caramel, it's going to pop you. You're going to be brighter. You're going to notice that before you finish the 250 ml, you will notice that your skin is brighter. You're not going to be yellow or anything. It's definitely not going to give you dark knuckles. It's not going to give you, stretch mark, because the moisturizing effect of the cream is really, really, something to bank on. You can take it to the bank. Like I said, that this formula is a very, very good one. So yeah, I do not want this video to be unnecessarily long. Do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me just recap. You'll be needing 250 ml of Jergens Ultra Daily Moisture. You'll be needing 250 ml of Jergens Daily Moisture, and you would need to add 1 tablespoon of Sepi white, 1 tablespoon of snow white powder, 10 drops of whitening glycerin, 5 drops of lavender oil, and 2 tablespoons of any whitening serum of your choice. I will recommend Amos White. I can recommend White Now serum, any serum of your choice at all. So, and then just make sure you mix everything together. Exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week, and yeah, good to go. That'll be all for this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for content like this. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel for fine content like this. And yeah, please let me know what you think about my hair. I want to tell you guys that I lost my Instagram page. So if you have any question for me, if you want to reach out to me for PR, for sponsorship, for anything of such, please shoot me an email. My email is right in the description box below. You can also send me a message on Twitter if you want to ask me about any skincare product or anything. I'll try and see if I can get my Instagram page back, but if I can't get it back, it means I'm going to open another page. Well, I'm going to take my time, because I don't know why Instagram keeps bringing down my page. And don't forget that I'm your best jewelry plug, guys. If you want something very nice like this, if you want nice researches, please support my personal brand. I'm going to leave my business page in the description box as well, so you guys can check me out. That will be all for this video, guys. Please share it with your family and friends. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button as well. I will see you in another video. Peace out.